Hello and namaste to everyone. Welcome to the channel. I hope you all are safe and fine. So in today's video, we are going to create this black smoky eye look. So without wasting much time, let's dig into the video. Let's get started. So I'm using Swiss Beauty concealer for the eye base. Just apply the concealer on your eyelids and blend it out nicely. Now I'm taking gel eyeliner from Nika and just apply on my eyelids. Apply the gel eyeliner on your eyelids, not above that, and this out with a fluffy brush. आपको ब्राउन आई शेडो लेना है और उसे अपनी क्रीज एरिया पे प्लेस करके दोनों को साथ में अच्छे से ब्लेंड करना है एंड जो ब्राउन आई शेडो है उसे अपनी क्रीज एरिया के ऊपर तक ले आएं. Now take black eyeshadow and just pat on your gel eyeliner to make it more intense and black. Now take gel eyeliner and apply on your lower lash line and smudge it out with brown eyeshadow. And here you go. Just apply false lashes and some coat of mascara and you are done. It's super easy and quick. I hope you all like this tutorial. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your feedback on the comment section. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.